Hi, Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Palm Beach, and I'm standing on a brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This is one of my personal favorites and a very popular boat in our area. This particular boat is loaded with options and equipped with quad V10 400s, giving you a total of 1,600 horsepower on the back of this boat, making it a rocket ship if you want it to be. Um, You'll notice on this boat why it's so popular. It's like the perfect balance between fishing and cruising. The way that we have it set up right now, you have two opposing seats, same height, underneath shade with the press of a button that'll extend out here. And then you've got two beautiful teak tables that go in between the seats here. So just a very comfortable spot to hang out at the sandbar or even while you're cruising down the canal. If you're fishing, the seat easily tucks away, and you've got a huge live well at the transom here with a divider, so you can easily run two species. You've got rod holders, Gemlux carbon fiber outriggers, radar, FLIR. This boat is just absolutely loaded with options. This boat's showcasing the new sea gray interior, which adds a nice pop of color to the boat. And then this one has the new high gloss teak package, which adds a real rich, elegant look to the boat. You'll see the high gloss teak throughout, accents definitely at the helm here. This boat's equipped with the latest and greatest Simrad twin NSO 16-inch units. You've got your joystick, and if that doesn't make it easy enough at the helm here, you've got your bow thruster as well, just giving you full confidence when pulling into the dock and takes the stress out of boating. Uh, the 380 Outrage has a beautiful cabin with separate head, air condition. You've got upgraded diesel generator and seakeeper, which give you a real easy and comfortable time while out on the water. And again, just with the versatility of this boat, it's really set up nicely for cruising. You could fight a fish easily around the boat, but while you're cruising out to the spot, or if you're entertaining, you can comfortably have four people laying up here, forward facing, storage underneath all the seats. And check out this garage. Just a massive amount of storage. This is definitely a boat that you're going to want to see in person. Feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Palm Beach, 561-427-9217. Thanks. I look forward to hearing from you.